एनएफ रेलवे के महाप्रबंधक अंशुल गुप्ता ने इसे ऐतिहासिक दिन करार दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि पूर्वोत्तर में रेलवे द्वारा किए जा रहे विकास कार्य काफी अहम हैं। नॉर्थ ईस्ट लाइव से एक्सक्लूसिव बात करते हुए अंशुल गुप्ता ने बताया कि इन दोनों नई ट्रेनों की शुरू होने से यात्रियों के लिए बेहद ही सुविधा होगी और साथ ही त्रिपुरा को मणिपुर से जोड़ने के साथ साथ पर्यटकों की संख्या भी बढ़ेगी।
It's a very historic day today. Mahamahim President has flagged off two trains, very important trains for the states of Northeast. For the first train is Jan Shatabdi, which we have extended up to Khongsang, which is just short of Imphal. So you can say that now Indian Railways have provided a direct connectivity from Agartala to Imphal. Second train is which we have extended from Guwahati to that's a Kolkata Guwahati express train up to Agartala. So this is again a very important train because Kolkata and Tripura, they have a very close bonding, social, political, family. So by extending this train, so we are again reaffirming that old bondage. So that's what this train will do. And as today we have seen that the train was fully packed, though it was inaugural one. I hope that with these two services which we have introduced, a lot of people will get a chance to visit this lovely section, the lovely area.
और वहीं उन्होंने बताया कि एक्ट ईस्ट पॉलिसी के जरिए पूर्वोत्तर के सभी राजधानियों को रेल नेटवर्क से जोड़ने का काम युद्ध स्तर पर जारी है। साथ ही उन्होंने बताया कि मेघालय में खासी छात्र संगठन के आंदोलन के कारण रेलवे का काम शुरू नहीं हो सका है। दिसंबर 2023 तक इम्फाल, आइजॉल और रंगपू को जोड़ने का काम पूरा हो जाएगा।
Imphal, our target is to reach by December 2003. So similarly for to Aizol also, Sairang, December 2023. Rangpo in Sikkim, that work will also get completed by December 2023. Kohima will take some time because the land we could get from the state government very late last year only. So there we are trying to complete 50% of the project, that is up to Malbom or Ferima, maybe by June or July. But the complete this section will be completed in 2026, maybe March or April. Then Agartala and Arunachal Pradesh capital is already connected. Only capital which will remain, that's a Shillong. There's a Khasi student union agitation. We are not permitting railways to work. So we are already talking to the political people there. We have requested the Chief Minister, Chief Secretaries. So let us hope that this stalemate also gets resolved and we are able to complete that project also.
और वहीं महाप्रबंधक ने बताया कि दक्षिण पूर्व एशिया देशों को भारतीय रेल परियोजना से जोड़ने का काम भी जारी है। खासकर बांग्लादेश के अखौरा और चटगांव जुड़ने से भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था को गति मिलेगी।
Akhora, our target is to complete that project by December, but the Bangladesh portion may take some time. But we are trying to complete our portion, maybe not by December, maybe by January. And then further connectivity up to Ganga Sagar in Bangladesh and beyond that thing, that Bangladesh is already working on those projects. So the Chittagaon connectivity is very important. There are other projects also on which we are working, especially the multimodal park at Sabroom, etc. So that this business and trade becomes very strengthened, especially through Bangladesh. Similarly, there are other projects also, like in Imphal, there's a More project, and Mizoram also there are some projects, basically to reach to the Southeast Asia.